Genhan? Missed that. You're saying something about the R30.
Yeah, maybe lots of JDMs, no displays.
Yeah. I'm actually surprised because like I thought this was only for European cars because like you got Benz there and everything, but then they have 286.
It's not the right time you come here. When you come here on the right time, you can see lots of FD.
FD. FD, no.
Yeah, FD. A lot.
I love FDs,
I
man.
saw lots of FD in here.
That's like my number one. That's my dream car. I have to get an FD RX-7.
Okay.
FD,
It's very
AE86, yeah.
Yeah,
But it's like
AE86.
really expensive to maintain though, cause
Rotating engine.
rotary engine, yeah. Cause
I didn't see FC in here.
FC
It's not common.
not common as much. You'll see it more in Japan, but
But the Japan FC, the most expensive color is white.
yeah, that's right, yeah. Cause Ryosuke has a white FC, yeah,
Yes.
that's why.
So in here, lots of FD. 3.4,
Okay.
3.2, 3.3.
Okay.
And, Evo 9, Evo 8, even Evo 8.5, and Nissan, lots of cars. JDM, why you know? Here you can see.
All here.
Yeah, all here. Yeah, you can see that. It's very common.
Was he saying earlier those were the seats for the car? From the 86? Or where's this from? Which car?
Yeah, it's the back one.
E86.
Yeah,
Yeah. So this one's from, looks like it came from a Skyline or something.
I don't know, what is it?
I'm pretty sure it's from a Skyline. Like it looks like a R30. Like maybe like a, yeah, like R30. No, Silvia. Maybe something like that. It doesn't tell you, but I think it's from like a Silvia or something like that.
Never mind. It's
I don't
not,
know.
It's not.
If you guys know, tell us in the comments below. So you got all these other things too. Look at it, all the parts and everything. Oh no, these are just
It's collection.
collections and all that. Oh, you can get some drift charms. Yeah, put at the bottom. I think it's for sound systems and what's here? Collectibles. Oh, so they do have like rear skiers. If I go over there, they've got oh, let's step over here. Oh, Recaros. So they've actually got like initial D spec collectibles. FC rear skiers FC. Got an FD RX-7. Oh, dude, you even have one gun midnight. Datsun 240Z.
What is it?
You have a Datsun 240Z.
240?
240Z. These
It's
ones.
Nissan?
Nissan, yeah.
He have.
That's
in
in-
there, in the factory.
What?
Behind.
Oh, he's got Datsun.
yeah.
Bullshit. Let's see. What you gonna see? The Datsun.
But you can't see that now.
Alright, maybe we'll see it later.
He have AE86 here for the race.
Oh yeah?
Only for
like
race.
like a track one.
Yeah, it's more wide.
Okay. Oh, it's got a wide body. Like it's got a body kit and everything. Oh, okay.
And he have Porsche, old Porsche.
Oh yeah, which one?
I don't know. I don't know the Europe car.
You only know
I
GD.
know he have the orange color. Orange
one.
color for the Nissan.
240Z.
Probably.
Oh, 350Z. 350Z might be.
Let me check. I don't know that. Last time I saw in that factory, he had. I don't know. I can't remember.
Oh, you're searching up the photo. Yeah. They just dump all the stuff here. That's funny. They have a storage place. Just dump it here. Oh, you found it? Oh yeah, that's 240Z. What I'm saying.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's the guy you showed me earlier.
Yes, it's
They're a really good car.
my master. Yeah, I like.
You must.
Yeah. See, this is the not. It's the old plate.
Yeah, that's the those are the
It's more cheaper.
it's the no, it's not an old plate. It's a club plate, club permit.
Yes.
So what you do is you can only do a certain amount of kilometers,
Yes.
and you have to log it in the book. It's all, and like you said, it's cheaper, yeah. So yeah, but this is obviously a daily driver, so like retro is like $800.
Yeah, you see this. It's the old GTR.
Yeah, so you got the Harakusa. Is it? Oh, there's a.
I don't know how to.
I know how to pronounce it, but I know what that is, and then that's the one after.
I know this. Is the how to say. Otis GTR.
Yeah, that's
It's
it.
KPG10.
Yeah, that's the other word for it. Yeah, that's a really good car. I have to get that car. I want like all of them, but this one definitely one of these. AE86.
Yeah, this one is for my master. The before my 086 in that plate.
Oh, that's this plate there.
Yeah.
No.
He like this light.
Oh yeah, that's the 11 one.
Yeah, it's for him.
Oh, okay.
Yes, it's for him. He has his own. I don't know where is he. Maybe he sold? I don't know.
Oh, it's like all the other ones too.
Yeah. Maybe he most like this one. Yeah, this one.
That's cool. If I got that, I'll dress up like the one in One Gun Midnight. The dark blue.
Oh.
Yeah, like that's what I'll do. Called Devil Zeddo. Shit. Rims and stuff here.
It's my.
Next for AE6, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that's for that car. So what happens to all the old parts? Like do they sell them? Do they keep it? Do they recycle them? Like what?
You can't recycle.
No, recycle in the sense as in like, do they like
Maybe put it here.
like reuse it?
Maybe put it here. Maybe sometimes shift. Use this one. Maybe.
Oh, okay.
Shift.
It's still pretty cool. What you searching up now?
Nothing. I need to go.
Oh. Oh, fair enough. What are you gonna do afterwards now?
Take my just service book for the file.
Okay, yep.
Yeah, my Subaru.
So, Super. Oh, you sold the Subaru? Why'd you sell it? What was wrong with it? Oh, you sold it for this one, yeah. This is gonna be a daily driver, that means? Can't be.
Yes, you can. Daily drive.
Daily driver.
Yeah.
Then, would you want what about a second
No,
car?
I only have this one.
Shit.
Only have this one.
Damn.
My name. My
Would-
name only have one car. AE86. Here.
Which one?
Just here.
Would you get a second car though? Cause like you want to keep this on the weekends or something like that. Cause like
Daily.
daily. Okay.
If I go by trainer, to go by the trainer, and maybe I never come back, I will keep this one. I never sell.
I can look after it for you if you want.
No, I will keep it here.
All good.
I didn't. I never sell this.
Yeah, yeah. You obviously I wouldn't sell this now.
I will keep it.
But if you need someone to look after it, I'm happy to look after it. You can take the key. You can take the key, and I'll just keep it in the garage. And I can just go tell everyone I got AE86 and just charge everyone. You want to see the AE86?
Okay.
Make money out of it.
Yeah, I need to go.
Yep.
It's late.
All right, it's all good. All right. Well, thanks for showing us your AE86 on. Best ever. You gonna close the hood? Drop the hood. All right. Thanks for watching.